Hey there, so I just found this app which is called Pickwish AI Photo Editor, and sometimes there is an issue where you need to generate ID photo either for passport or for visa application, and these photos very often they have very strict requirements in size, in their aspect ratio, and all of that. So I don't recommend that you use this app for that. This is just a suggestion. There is no guarantee that it will actually work. But sometimes, if you're just traveling and you instantly need to apply for some visa and you need specific photo with like specific aspect ratio, you need to find some expensive photo studio or something like that. So it can be quite complicated. So with this app, you just go in here and then you have ID photos. Then you can generate a US passport, UK passport, Japan passport, UK visa, US visa, common. So for example, you would just want to generate that. And then, for example, I have selfies. Of course, you need to have very, just good photos with the right lighting and the right background. But in this app, you can also remove the background. So as you can see, it automatically removes the background. And here you can just move it like that, for example. And then you have like the background is automatically removed for you. It's like, wow. So I haven't seen any other apps which are doing these things so smoothly and so quick. So that's kind of the idea here. And then you can just you see this is like the correct aspect ratio, 600 on 600. That's that. Basically that's the idea. And then unblur, I don't have no idea what. So if there is some kind of blur there, you can just remove it. But yeah, so of course this is not perfect, and these are just the things you can see here. But that's of course then if you want to save it and you need to remove the logo, obviously that you will need that on the passport. Then you need to pay, but you can start just from $6 per week. There is no, okay, so there is even like a free trial. Okay, but there is no free trial here. There is free trial only on a yearly plan for 3 days, which can be enough for you, to just use it for 1-2 photos. But of course, if you plan to use it more, you will need to pay. But then, here you can just upgrade it. Even if you pay $6, you can generate a lot of these photos. And then, it should be good. So again, I don't guarantee that it will exactly work as a government ID photo, but this is just like, if you're in some edge case, like you're really traveling somewhere in Vietnam, whatever, you need a visa photo, you like somewhere outside of the city and stuff. This is kind of like an interesting, cool app which you can try out. And it's like super easy and fast app. I tried some other apps in this category, but this seems to be the good one.